Hello everyone. In this video we will study about energy. What is energy? You are familiar with this thing. Energy is the ability to do work. We know that there are many types of energies in the universe. So like electrical energy, mechanical, and so on. So many energies are there. We are not going into detail. So here we are basically considering the mechanical energy. So since this is the ability of doing work, so the SI unit of energy is joules. Right? Now we are talking about mechanical energy. You have studied about this in 9th standard as well. So this is your kinetic energy and potential energy. Right? Kinetic energy is the energy due to motion, and potential energy is the energy which is by virtue of its position. Right? So first we will discuss about the kinetic energy. What is its formula? We'll not define it in detail. So this is the energy which is possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So we know the formula, kinetic energy formula is half mv square, right? Now let's derive it using calculus method. If an object is kept here and initial velocity is 0 and it attains final velocity v, this is the displacement. We know that F is equal to ma and work is equal to force into displacement. So if I am talking about small work done dW during displacement ds, this can be written like this. Ma ds, I can write it like this. So dW is m acceleration, I can write rate of change of velocity. So dv by dt is acceleration, this is ds. Now this dv I am keeping it as it is, and this ds by dt can be written as velocity. So I am using it here. dw is mv dv. If I want to find the total work, I'll have to integrate both sides. What will I get? dw integration is equal to mv dv. We know the concept of integration. dw limits I can put 0 to w, velocity limits I can put 0 to v. dw integration is w. So limits 0 to w will give us w only at the last. This is m taken outside the integral sign. I have to integrate v dv 0 to v limits. So this will be w minus 0 is equal to m. Integration of v is v square upon 2. Here the limits are 0 to v. So w is equal to this is kinetic energy half m v square. This work appears as kinetic energy. Work and energy are interconvertible, so you can write this as kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Right? So this is the formula for kinetic energy. Now we can move on to the potential energy concept. We know that potential energy is the energy due to the position. So in 9th standard, you have studied about only one potential energy, and that was actually potential energy is equal to mgh. This was actually gravitational potential energy when a stone is lifted against gravity. So when the stone is lifted to height h, m is the mass, then the energy stored is mgh. Now one thing very important to note here is that whenever we are doing any work against the opposing force, like gravity is acting downwards and we are lifting something against it, then we are doing some work against the force of gravity. So this work will be stored as potential energy. So very important thing which is useful for you in future, whenever we do any work against an opposing force, it is stored as potential energy. So this is very important concept. Okay, now let's take the cases of potential energy. The other cases: elastic potential energy of a spring, right? So when we have a spring and we are pulling it like this, so this extension is the position with respect to the equilibrium position, right? So in this case, whatever work we are doing against this tendency of the spring to return to its mean position, so this work we are doing by the applied force. So this is stored as elastic potential energy of the spring. This is one example. Example 2 can be taken as, if you have a bow, then what do? We stretch it like this, and then the arrow placed here can be thrown to greater distances. So that means what we are doing it, we are stretching it. So this is elastic potential energy of string, right? This is also potential energy. So these are different types of potential energies. I think we can discuss this much in the present video. That's all for now, and have a nice day.